Hello, it is presentation for the principle of software design of Citra AI Music Generator. For the key feature that implement is Google OAuth 2.0, AI Music Generation, Preview and Confirmation, Personal Music Library, Custom Audio Player, Security and Quota, Live Quota Tracking and Alert, Strategy Pattern Architecture, and lastly, Track Management. So let's go for the system architecture. Our system architecture separated by layer. As you can see, the top one is our front-end layer. It forms the all our front-end page, our landing page, our generation page, our music library page, and lastly, our share track page. So as you can see, each page has its own relation with the view controller. In this project, we apply T-View controller that Auth View controller handle login and encode the JWT. Our generation view have responsibility for generate music to the Suno or generate from the our mock generation strategy using generation strategy. So for our library page and share page, it share at the library view that is used to view the owner library view share library. This thing also manage the music library and the invite system for this project. So let's continue to the our generation sequence diagram. As you can see, our generation sequence diagram starts with user that fill prompt and our React UI post API generate music to our Django API. It check our user quota, generate request, and music track processing to our database, and it execute if the user is low is mock user that we apply the mock strategy. It execute the mock generation strategy, finding the exit tag, copy audio URL to the music track, and update status to success, and it will return the success to our front end. And for the normal user, it executes Suno generation strategy that port API to the Suno API, and it will send it to Suno, and Suno will return the test ID, and our generation context will update generation request, and it will return the processing to our front end. So for our every 5 seconds, our front end and our back end will ping the Suno for the update status. If it status success, it will return the success to our Django API, and lastly, it will return to our React UI. So for the testing and grading strategy, also our mock strategy for testing. So as you can see, we will show it later at the front end, but how it works is that on the landing page, normal it will be Suno, but you can click at the strategy that hide at the navbar. It will ask you to change to the mock, and for after you change to the mock, the system will bypass the Google OAuth, but it will use the request email name special1@citramock.com and special2@citramock.com. This user assign the role as the mock user. When they generate a tag, mock generation strategy safely intercept the request, copy and exit tag from the database, and return it instantly. And our mock strategy not have relation with our users, normal user. It cannot send data to each other. We have a checking role for it that only role can interact with same role, no crossover role. So for the setup instruction, I would like you to keep following both of them. Our Google OAuth 2.0 setup, you can follow the step that show in this .md. And lastly, you have to do the Suno API setup guide. After you do both of the setup, you can go follow each step in here. And last, it will direct you to run the backend and run the front end. And it's our root endpoint for this project. And it's our soft delete architecture. As you can see, it will users are allowed to delete the music from their library, but it just hidden it from the user, not actually delete it from the database. As you can see, the permanent hard deletion is disabled across user-facing endpoint. So this is our deletion table that describes the actual model using the API in this project. We have model user, music library, music track, generation request, and lastly track invite. So let's go with our project. So as you can see, I just set up it finished. So right now I will start the backend off. Right now the backend already start. So for the backend, you have to cd to the front end and type npm lambda to start the front end. After you start the front end, it will direct you to our landing page at the port, localhost port 7999. So as you can see, this is our landing page. We have a login button, learn more button that will move below to what about us and our core feature of this project. The button also work this way. So let's starting with the actual Suno strategy. So for our code, it will start when you log in with your Google account. When you log in with Google account, you can choose the account, and after you log in, our system will register your email in your database and give your library. If you're new user, this one will show as the empty one. It will show similar like this, but for your own library, this one is the shared library. Our library is separated into two parts. The shared library that you share with the other people when they share the music to you, and it is our library that generate song that you generate song is here. So it is our coin. It will refresh every weekly. One user have limit 30 coin. One generation is 1 coin. Cost 1 coin. So it is for our generator. To generate the music, you have to hit the generate track button. After that, you have to fill the title and fill the description, prompt, and the genre of music. As you can see, you can also choose the vocal gender, male, female, or no singer. It will only the music sound, no vocal. So for now, we go with the male vocal. So after you click the preview generation, the system will show our title, our genre and style, our vocal, and our prompt. So after that you complete, you can click the confirm and generate, and it will direct back to our library page. Then it will processing, and after it's on, it will allow you to play. So for now, after we will do the other one is play the music from my library. So as you can see, we have the source system for our website that you can find the language, OS, genre, and type. And we have a search bar that can search based on the title name, which you can do drag, tab, length, or something like that. So let's go with our playlist. If you want to play this rock music, you can see our website provides with the image from the Suno, the title, the owner name, and the style that you write in it. So as you can see, we have our music player has the defaulting from every mod music player: play pause button, skip, or save button. We have a random next track and loop the music. We have a volume mixer, and okay, that's all for our music player. So let's go with our sharing system and track management. So in our track management, you can rename our title, view song prompt, or delete song from the owner track music. You can also do it in the audio player. So as you can see, when you hold mouse, you can choose to download music as MP3, share music. In this time, you can share music to public that you can copy link, and the user have to log in before able to listen to this music. Private, only you can listen and invite via email. Then you have to type the email, and it will send the email to the other user. Yeah, I already shared one music to the other user. First mail I log in as my daily email, and the second one I will log in with the KU email. As you can see, the notification bell will call the number, the invite you have, and when you click on it, it will show the pop-up that the search by the inviter name and what song did that inviter invite you. You can choose to ignore it or accept it. After you accept it, we show in your shared library. As you can see, this one is shared. All of the music is shared from the user, and both of the accounts can share their own music to any other user that have the same role as the user. So you can download the shared music, but you cannot edit the title name, and you can also remove from share. It only remove from the shared library, not the owner library, and the owner library can reshare it from their library again. So that's all for the Suno one. As you can see, the generate song is already generated. For the generate one, it will keep pinging the Suno every 5 to 10 seconds to check the status. If it's done, it will return the complete, and it will show the music that it contains the title name, the image from the Suno, and lastly the song title from the review. Okay, so as you can see, this is the basic operation. So let's go for our mock strategy. So let's go with our mock strategy. Our mock strategy can be activated by the strategy button and the top navigation bar. After the Chitara text, you will see strategy Suno. When you click on it, you can switching it to the mock generation. After switching to mock strategy, it will bypass the mocking with Google, and you can only direct with the email that we apply it as user role as the mock user in our database. So as you can see, when you click, it will bypass our Google OAuth. It works similar as the normal user. You have your token, generate tag, your user profile, your shared library. So most of the system is all the same. The only one different inside is the generate tag. I have to explain it extra. In the generate tag, we apply strategy in it. That the generation field is the one that checking the role of the user, that it found the user ID, the prompt correctly, and it will check the role of the user, that the user role is the mock user or the normal user. So as you can see, if the user is normal, if you go to the Suno generation strategy, but if not normal, if the role is the mock user, it will call it mock generation strategy. In generation strategy, it will due to operation the Suno generation strategy that will send our actual prompt to the Suno and the mock generation strategy that will random track ID and request ID from our existing the database. So as you can see, our generation will act as the traffic controller and our generation strategy act as the actual execution, sorry about that. So as you can see, AI write any song can do all the same preview and after generate, it will just random song from our existing database. And you can do most of the operation I think, rename song, download song, share permission, public, invite, private, share it music. I will give you the share with email first. This email is the special to, as you can see, special one invite you to listen to that AWD. So after you accept, you can go to share library and you can listen from the share song. This one is I do it previously. You can also share this song to the share song to the public one. You can also share this song to the public user. As you can see, I want to share Timmy the Necromancer to public. When I share to the public, it will generate this one. I will try the incognito mode. As you can see, you cannot listen to any music if you not log in. So we have to log in with Google first. Oh, I forgot to set it as private. So as you can see, when you log in and the link and listen to the music, that's all of it. Thank you very much.